Let's see how to repot one of the most carefree houseplants, that is called Stephania erecta. First, I'm using a terracotta pot, giving it a quick rinse and soaking it in the water for a few minutes. This helps to make a good drainage hole. Now for the potting mix, I have added 50% vermicompost, 10% river sand, 5% charcoal, 5% leca balls, and 30% cinder. Is made up of a burnt coal or a wood or a volcanic rock, which is super light and perfect for the drainage. Place the erecta bulb gently on top of the cinder and no need to bury it. Just give a tiny bit of water once every 2 weeks. It loves bright indirect sunlight, and the